Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a Yale BF-10 padlock with that Y1 pair-centric keyway here. I'm getting low on locks to pick, so I've got a bunch on the way. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that. Oh, excuse me. Top of the keyway with what, 25 thou? Yeah, 25,000. And then just a long reach. There we go. Cool. Nice little padlock. Put up a little bit of a fight. I like that. Very cool. Alright guys, that's all I got for you this time. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, please. Means so much to me, guys. I'm growing. And it's all thanks to you guys. I'm really happy about that. And also, if you guys aren't on it, make sure you get over to my channel. Check out my giveaway I got going on. Got a really cool little prize lot there, and it's growing. And yeah, so that's it. That's all I got for you. Till next time, catch you later.